In this video, we are going to talk about an important aspect. At what age they should buy life insurance, or at what age they should start investing in life insurance. At the age of 20 or 25, 30, 40. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Murthy. I have been working with financial services for more than 30 years. I welcome you all to Invest Expert India, where you will get the necessary advice and information that is required for you to take an informed decision about your long-term financial goals. A question that I have been getting from various people, those who are associated with life insurance business and those who are interested in investing with the life insurance, is that at what age they should buy life insurance, or at what age they should start investing in life insurance. At the age of 20 or 25, 30, 40, or as soon as they get a job, or as soon as they get married, or as soon as they have some children. The straight answer to this question is the earlier the better. Why is it so? Because any life insurance company will give you life insurance based on two important things. One is age, the other one is health. At an younger age, you'll be paying lesser premium, and the same premium will continue throughout the life of the policy. Another advantage of starting early is that you'll be able to enjoy the benefits for a longer time. There are life insurance policies which will give you benefit till the age of 99 years. So if you are starting investment at the age of 25 years, you'll be able to pay only for about 15-20 years, but still the benefit will be available till the age of 99 years. And if you want to have a lump sum amount at the age of, let us say, 40 or 50 years, even then you will be able to get good lump sum amount, and mostly guaranteed amounts also you will be able to get, and you will be able to enjoy the benefit of compounding if you are starting investments at an early age. The second factor is health. This is an important factor that is being considered by life insurance companies when they give you life cover. You should buy life insurance when your health is good, because as the health starts getting affected with common issues like diabetes, blood pressure, or even thyroid, etc., it becomes challenging. It will be difficult for you to get life insurance from any life insurance company. Even if they give, they'll charge higher premiums. So you will be paying more money for the same benefit. So it is said that you should buy life insurance when you don't need it, because when you need it, no life insurance company will come forward to give it to you. So to take full advantage of getting good returns over a longer period of time, and also to take advantage of the lower premiums, it is always better to invest in the life insurance at the earliest. If you find this video helpful, please like it and share it with your family and friends. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. I am providing professional advice and consultation also to all those who are looking for investment opportunities. You can book a free consultation call with me by clicking on the link given in description below. If you want to know more information about all the services that we provide, you can visit our website akshayarevenues.com. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.